Well, hello everyone. Well, at the start of the war, with the reduction of pig feed down to at least a third less, this really hit our pig farmers hard in trying to produce the amount of pork that we were eating before the war. And if, like me, you like a bit of pork and were worried about the shortage of this meat, it is a relief that the Small Pig Keepers Council was set up by the Ministry of Agriculture to help us civilians at home to actually raise our own pigs, either individually in our back gardens or as part of a cooperative as a member of a pig club. Now, of course, lately the Ministry of Food have halved the amount of pig meal and we're being restricted to raise 2 pigs a year each, whether that's in our backyard or with a club. Now, as a rural domestic economy instructress, the Small Pig Keepers Council have asked me to go out amongst you ladies, especially those of you who haven't been used to keeping pigs before, to give you some tips on how to use all those different joints and different parts of the pig that you've been raising. Of course, the other half being sold to the Ministry of Food to go onto our meat ration. If you are a pig keeper yourself, do look out for your local produce guild 2-day schools on bacon curing. With pigs though, it is said that we can eat all but the squeal, and it really is beneficial to our extra off-ration meat for us to be involved in raising our own pigs. So today I'm going to show you a delicious meal of how to use parts of the pig that come to you, and especially the ones that you might not have cooked before. And I'm showing you today stewed pig's trotters in a caper sauce.
Honey, won't you hold me, never let me go. Take me, honey, won't you take me, never to forsake me, 'cause I love you so. Thrill me, let your kisses thrill me, just like you alone can do. Hold me tenderly and fold me, never try to hold me from you.
any capers, you can always make mock capers by pickling some nasturtium seeds from the garden. They taste just as nice and will make just as good a sauce for this dish.
Hold me, honey, won't you hold me? Hold me, never let me go. Take me, honey, won't you take me? Never to forsake me, 'cause I love you so. Thrill me, let your kisses thrill me, just like you alone can do. Hold me tenderly and fold me, never try to hold me from you.